Hello friends. Today my phone is being repaired and the display is being replaced. The full name of the phone is in the description. It looks like there is a fingerprint stuck on it. So let's heat up the phone on the separator. The bottom of the front camera is glued. The main camera is also glued. To replace the display, you must remove the battery. The battery is glued very tightly. Let's try to peel it off. I'll probably use isopropanol to dissolve the glue. Here are two strips of double-sided tape. If you are not changing the display module but only the battery, then it is better not to use liquids, because you can flood the display and stains will appear on the display. See how isopropanol dissolves tape. The bottom board will also have to be removed because the cable from the display comes there. The vibration motor is soldered to the board, so you need to unsolder two wires. The contact with the plus polarity is closer to the vibration motor and the minus contact is further from the vibration motor. All we have to do is remove the display module. Let's get started. I think I'll wear safety glasses because the glass might get in my eyes. Now you need to clean the frame and then install the new display.
TECNO SPARC 8C.
Here's what the new display looks like.
Здесь нам еще сеточку надо будет снять.
You also need to remove the mesh under the speaker.
Дисплей работает.
I'll check the display behind the scenes and then glue it on. First I will glue the mesh with glue. Well friends, the phone has been repaired. I hope the video was useful. Subscribe to the channel and good luck with your repairs.